What's up, guys? Today we're gonna take this drone somewhere I probably shouldn't. I'm loading it up and I'm taking it to Jerome for my first ever manual flight. The problem with Jerome is it's on the side of a mountain, so there's not a lot of room to fly, and I'm just scared. It's like the road's right here, and if something goes wrong, I'm not going to be able to retrieve it, and there's so many cars going by. So I think I'm just going to tighten the screws back up and have a regular flight real quick and find a more open space to responsibly fly the FPV drone. That flight was extremely sketchy because it disconnected not that far away from me, and I'm out in open space, which is why I always wonder how those FPV guys can go so far inside of buildings and so far away from themselves, because thank God for return to home, but it took a minute or two. And I didn't know what altitude it was going to go to, and I was so scared. So for a moment I took over and just launched it up a few hundred feet and then returned to home, not knowing if it would go to the right height or just come to me, but it came back and it was fine, and the rest of the flight was really sick and everything looks cool here. But that was so scary, I can't even imagine being in manual mode. So all that hype, and I'm gonna go find somewhere else safer to fly in manual mode, but you guys still got to see Jerome, so that's good. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me to Jerome. I had an amazing time, and eventually I do have my manual flight, and that's in the next video, so make sure you're subscribed. You guys are really gonna love it. I'll give you a hint. I was absolutely shocked at my experience with FPV flying. It wasn't like the simulator, and it was nothing like I expected. But if you guys had a good time, you want to see the next video, you want to come with me on some more desert adventures, be sure to subscribe. Till next time, peace.